Get over here. Stay close. Stay close. Heel. All right. Here we are from Crestline, California. It's Tuesday. I think it's the 7th of March. Got a sunny day here. We got some rain coming soon, but kind of breaking the weather here, and I think we're going to go down here and get some supplies just in case. My vehicle won't start. I don't have it out yet, but I got inside, and so no hurry digging it out that quick yet. I'm going to go down here to the Goodwin's Market. This is the market where the roof collapsed. See if we can. I think they got food drives here every day, and see if we can score. If not, we'll get something to eat. Over here, bud. Come on. People are bringing the supplies. There's a whole bunch of water there. I learned about this food drive today from a guy that was bringing a bunch of food, and he told me he's gonna send some people up to help me dig out. We'll see how that goes. But that's a nice offer. Well, I really debated bringing Buddy, but he was crying and he wanted to go, and I know all you guys want to see him. So we're doing it. It's always really slippery right on this part of the hill. I'm going to shut this down and I'll turn it back on in a few minutes. All right, stay close. Thanks. Come on, big guy.
Damn, what'd you feed him?
He needs to eat. He's going to have to carry his own food.
Yeah, he's doing all right.
Yeah, he's cool. Make sure he doesn't eat meat. You too, sir. All right, we're back on Lake Drive. This is actually still my street, heading towards downtown. We're getting close to Goodwin's Market, where the roof collapsed, so we'll take a look at that in the sunshine. I heard the roof here collapsed, I heard. Huh. And that's the post office there. Thanks. Focus, buddy. Gonna keep a straight line here, bud. Buddy was dying to get out. Well, I was gonna come down here and really wanted to bring him, but I didn't think it was a good idea with all the cars. But he cried and cried and cried. So, and he's doing real well. I'm glad I brought him so far. All right, yep. I feel his pain over there. You'll probably see a scoop fly over there any second. Yep, there it is. Yeah, you're getting thirsty, bud. I figure you can get some water out here. Come on. Crestline Cafe. Hey, buddy, let's duck in here real quick and let the traffic go by. Come on. Come on. Okay. Hey, come on, bud. Well, it's been fun keeping everybody up to date. I'm the railroad guy, but I'm locked down for a week, so I'm the weather guy this week. And everybody's been wondering what's going on up here, so it's been good to get everybody in touch with each other, and picture's worth 1,000 words. Come on. Morning or afternoon. Come on. All right, I'm going to sign off till we get down to the market. Buddy's hogging the street here. All right, talk to you in a minute. Thank you. Okay, we're down to Goodwin's Market. This is the market where the roof collapsed. Right here. So this is Lake Drive and Lake Gregory Drive where they meet. Kind of the center of Crestline, pretty much here. Come on. We got anything going on here? Nobody. Come on. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Come on. Bathrooms here today. There's the store with the roof collapse. You can see it's all boarded up. Not sure if they're giving any food away. We're going to grab a little bit if they do. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on. Howdy.
Hi.
Not sure what they're doing here. I think they're organizing. Yeah, they're taking these things to the neighborhoods that are blocked off. Sweet. Fantastic. All right, we'll go to plan B. I think McDonald's is open. We'll go over there and see if we can get Buddy a couple hamburgers for Buddy. All right, so there's the market. We'll head on down to McDonald's and see what's going on there. We'll be back. Thanks. Talk to you in a few. Well, as you can see, life's getting back to normal.
This is just last week in the rain. That's so big. That's in the back of their truck.
Is Ethan still with Julia?
Pretty close. They're moving.
All right, we went to Mickey D's. I had the #1 Big Mac special and got a couple McDoubles for Buddy. He ate one already and got one for going home, and got me a deluxe quarter pounder for home and a large Dr. Pepper. All right, we're on our final leg.
Hello, beautiful puppy.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Thank you. You thirsty, buddy? There you go, snow water. Hi, buddy. All right, we're heading back to home. It's 1 mile both ways, so see how this works out. Buddy, over there getting the snow off the roof. It's a bowling alley and a subway. All right, we'll continue our walk home here.